Hi, parents. This is Miss Olson. I wanted to make a video today and help you guys navigate some of the different things on the computer to be able to help your students um, with their work if you would like to. You don't have to. But one thing that I want to kind of point out most students should be starting at the dashboard in order to get and access anything. If they want to go to Schoology, if they want to go to their online book, which for me is called Pearson, they can even access Skyward here. They can even access Math Excel here. This is like a really great place because it saves a lot of their passwords for things if they can log into this portal. If you're going from your home computer and you don't know how to get to this page, if you go to kleinisd.net, let's wait for it to get there. Um, when you get there, there's a place that says teaching and learning right here. And I believe they can just hit dashboard and it should go straight to their dashboard for them. Anyway, once they're at this page, if you see the things here, mine's a little bit longer than theirs, okay, because I have all these employee things. But they have Schoology. They've got Pearson. Pearson's where they do their online book, which we're going to be doing most of our assignments out of. Not every assignment, but most assignments. This second chapter, actually, I want to do not as many assignments in here, but all the other chapters I will. So once they get to this page, they're going to click on Pearson Realize, which is this button here. And mine looks really similar to theirs. So when they pop this up, this is what they see. When they hit classes and assignments, that you're going to see something like this where it'll tell them or tell you, how many kids have done an assignment. So it tells me how many kids have done an assignment, tell you if they've completed it or not. So it'll show their assignment and it'll show their grade to the side. Again, show an assignment and then show their grade to the side. Okay, you can click on that assignment, do it with them. They can do these assignments multiple times, and during the assignment while they're doing it, it's really great. It shows what grade they're getting. Thank you, baby.
I have to eat the water.
Thank you. So let's show you what an assignment looks like for them. Oh, baby, I didn't know if it had water. I didn't know that, babe. I'm sorry.
Ha ha ha.
Okay. Sorry, that's my daughter. Anyways, okay, so let's go to the 1-6 assignment they saw. I have to go through it a different way. I can't press on it the way you did because then I'll show you everybody's grades and I can't do that. So, okay, so this is the assignment that they got on their thing. This is a really great thing that I wanted to show you. So this is one thing. But let's say they're doing this problem, they're solving for it. They get their solution, and I'm actually going to get it incorrect on purpose. I'm going to say x is less than, let's say I say 3. I'm going to get it wrong. I hit check answer. It's going to say, hey, I'm sorry, you're wrong. Now, of course, I got it wrong, but that doesn't mean it's incorrect forever. Okay. And even if I get it wrong 5 times, okay, I'm going to get it wrong 3 times because it says that here that's final check. If I get it wrong 3 times, it's going to say, no, that wasn't your answer. These are the correct answers. And then I can hit similar question and I'll try a new one. Now, it's told me I got it wrong, but if I get it right the next time or any next time, it's okay. It'll give me credit. So let's see, I get it right this time. No, it's still wrong. Let's see, it's 4. Yay, good job. Okay, so now if you notice, this one question is completely right. I've gotten full credit on this question. Say go to the next question. Let's say you don't know how to help your student either because you don't remember this stuff. So you can hit question help. You can hit help me solve this. And you in the book will be going through some steps to help you solve it. Now that doesn't mean that it's going to tell you it's wrong after you say help me solve this because you had to ask for the computer's help. That doesn't mean, again, it's completely wrong. You would just hit try again and hopefully that, hope that whatever. It is going to talk you through each step. So it says combine like terms. So it says combine 2x and 6x. So I know that I have to do 8x here. So it's a really great interactive thing. I love the online book. I feel like it really does help these students a whole bunch. It's just great. Let's see, add 14. So 8. Oop. Add, they wanted me to say 14. Wanted me to say 14, sorry. The answer was 8, but, okay. So, anyways, I just wanted to show you how this works because it's really great. I love the book. I feel like, both times I've taught algebra that having this book has been invaluable because kids can help themselves, and I'm not saying that I can't help them. Of course I'd love to help them. It's just nice that they can help themselves. So again, I says I've gotten that question wrong, but if I just get it right the second time, then it's not that big of a deal. They want me to just get it right. I think this is again probably one, so I'm just gonna try it. I'm not sure. Yeah. Okay, and then now I've gotten the question completely right. Anyway, that's the online book. That's where a lot of their assignments are. So if you want to keep checking up on, hey, is my kid finishing their assignments? This is where you can look to do that. Now on Schoology, I've gone ahead and made our test from last week available. I wanted to wait till all the kids were finished with it. I have made it available. If you go into, you go to their Schoology, again, how do you get here? If you go through the Klein ISD dashboard, it is Schoology right here. It should automatically log your kids in. If it doesn't, it's their password to get into the computers. But anyways, once I'm here, this is my courses, but your kids' course will look like this. So you're going to click on here, and this is where all their things are for my class. And what I love about this is I've made pages in here. So let's say I'm studying for chapter 1, and a lot of people have emailed me, yeah, how can my kids study for chapter 1? Well, all of the sections that they've learned in here, so let's say 1.1 and 1.2, they're in videos in here. So let's say they don't know how to do it, they could go watch some videos over it. Maybe if I gave them a PowerPoint in class, the PowerPoint is there so I can flip through the sides of what we looked at in class. I can again go watch some more videos down here. And then your kids' test is going to be in here in this chapter 1 test. I don't want to click on it because I don't know what it's going to pop up. I don't want to pop up the grades, but I have made it available so you can see the questions I got right and wrong, what the right answer was, and all that lovely stuff. I do have a retest made, so once they finished their assignments for that chapter, they can come retest whenever they'd like if they've explained that to you. Anyway, so that's that. The last thing that I want to show you is Math Excel. And each chapter that we have on Math Excel, I go and star some of the TEKs that are important for them to study for the chapter. So for instance, right now we're doing functions. So I went ahead and starred some of the things that I think are good practice for them in functions. There's also this one here, which is good practice for functions. And then a few things down here. S1 was one that we did yesterday. Anyways, whenever they go in here and do this, sometimes I'm going to grade them. I won't normally, but for this chapter, I told y'all I don't like the book for this chapter, so I am grading these things. The grade that I'm going to take is this SMART score right here. It does automatically send me the SMART score, so don't stress about your student needing to go ahead and send me like a screenshot. They don't need to do that. It automatically shows me. I've gone ahead and done this lesson on this, but again, if they're like, I don't remember what's linear or not linear, again, if they go to Schoology, I have some videos here. So that's in chapter 2. See, it says patterns and linear functions and patterns and nonlinear functions. They could watch some videos over 2.2 and 2.3, and it will go ahead and explain linear functions and then maybe nonlinear functions. So that might be able to help them as well if they're having some struggle here. Of course, if I get something wrong on here, it's again going to explain to me. Or it'll tell me, hey, if you're not ready for this, maybe try some of these because maybe doing these 2 TEKs will help you out. So I hope that this video helped. I wanted to go through and kind of show you some ways that you could practice for Algebra 1. And if you have any questions, and if I haven't emailed you back, I'm going to do that now. I apologize for getting back late. I just wanted to make this video before emailing everybody individually back. So anyways, I hope that y'all have a great day today and have a good weekend. Bye.